Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Discord account. Firstly, let me tell you one thing. Whenever you download the Discord application on your laptop or PC, make sure to do it from the Discord website. In my experience, I downloaded it from the Microsoft Store, but after installing Discord, it wouldn't open. It got stuck on the loading screen. Whether you use Discord on the web or through the application, it doesn't matter, both methods are the same. To open Discord on the web, go to the official Discord website and select Open Discord in your server. They'll ask for your username. I had logged in before, and it didn't ask me again because I hadn't logged out properly from the website. To verify your account, you'll see a green line at the top. That says Claim Account. There are a few more steps to verify your account on the web. These steps are not very difficult, you just need to enter your account's email and password. There might be some account opening verification since you are operating from the web. I won't waste your time with extra steps, so let's switch to the application. Now, when you open the application, you'll see the same green line at the top as on the web. But here, it says, please check your email account to verify your account and keep your current name. There's also a resend email option. Note that the claim account option on the web was there because you didn't log in properly. You only opened your profile by entering your username, you didn't log in with a proper account email and password. Now, if you have received the Discord account verification email, great. If not, click on the resend option. Then, open your Gmail inbox from the Gmail account you used to create your Discord account. Now, as you can see in my inbox, I've received the Discord verification email. Open it. You'll see a purple box saying Verify Email. Click on it. It may take a few seconds. After that, a window will appear congratulating you on successfully verifying your account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.